PaLM-2, Pathways Language Model. It is a large language model, LLM, developed by Google AI. It is a successor to PaLM, and it is trained on a massive dataset of text and code. PaLM-2 can be used for a variety of tasks, including translation. PaLM-2 can translate text from one language to another. It can also translate code from one programming language to another. Code generation. PaLM-2 can generate code in a variety of programming languages. It can also generate creative text formats, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. Question answering. PaLM-2 can answer questions in a comprehensive and informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. Creative writing. PaLM-2 can generate creative text formats, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. Summarization. PaLM-2 can summarize text in a concise and informative way. Reasoning. PaLM-2 can reason about information and make logical inferences. Math. PaLM-2 can solve math problems and perform mathematical operations. Some of the benefits of using PaLM-2 include: it can be used to perform a variety of tasks, including translation, code generation, question answering, creative writing, summarization, reasoning, and math. It is trained on a massive dataset of text and code, which makes it very powerful. It is still under development, but it has already learned to perform many kinds of tasks. It is likely that PaLM-2 will be used in a variety of products and services in the future. There are a few ways to use PaLM-2. One way is to use the Bard AI chatbot. Bard AI is a web-based chatbot that is powered by PaLM-2. You can use Bard AI to ask questions, get information, and generate creative text formats. Another way to use PaLM-2 is to use the PaLM API. The PaLM API is a RESTful API that allows you to interact with PaLM-2 programmatically. You can use the PaLM API to translate text, generate code, answer questions, and perform other tasks. Finally, you can also use PaLM-2 in Google Workspace products. PaLM-2 is used to power a variety of features in Google Workspace, including email summarization, brainstorming, and rewriting. Here are some examples of how you can use PaLM-2. You can use PaLM-2 to translate text from one language to another. For example, you could ask PaLM-2 to translate "Hello, world" from English to Spanish. You can use PaLM-2 to generate code in a variety of programming languages. For example, you could ask PaLM-2 to generate a Python function that calculates the Fibonacci sequence. You can use PaLM-2 to answer questions in a comprehensive and informative way. For example, you could ask PaLM-2, "What is the capital of France?" You can use PaLM-2 to generate creative text formats, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. For example, you could ask PaLM-2 to generate a poem about love. You can use PaLM-2 to summarize text in a concise and informative way. For example, you could ask PaLM-2 to summarize the book, The Lord of the Rings. You can use PaLM-2 to reason about information and make logical inferences. For example, you could ask PaLM-2, "If all dogs are mammals, and all mammals are animals, then what are dogs?" You can use PaLM-2 to solve math problems and perform mathematical operations. For example, you could ask PaLM-2, "What is the square root of 16?" PaLM-2 is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of tasks. As PaLM-2 continues to develop, it is likely that it will be used in even more ways in the future.